There are dozens of free stem and drum unmix tools available these days, both paid and unpaid. A lot of them are on sketchy websites based on the same open source splitter algorithms. But then once in a while there's an app which does things a lot better. And ReBeat by Wavemachine Labs is absolutely one of those. This piece of software is specialized in drum unmixing in more stems than what you normally see, and it uses AI to extract these stems. You get kick, snare, toms, hi-hat, ride, crash and other, which normally will be the music. The only serious contender I can find which does something similar is Spectralayers, and even that program doesn't do it in this level of separation. We'll compare later in the video. ReBeat comes as an audio plugin in all the normal formats to use in your DAW and as a standalone app as well. When you get it, it's a big download, 1.8 GB for PC, and the install was also on the longer side. It looks like a complete Python library is installed. But there are also a whole bunch of sounds installed, more on that later in the video. Let's start with the standalone version. You simply load in an audio track to be unmixed. When you use the plugin version, you have to record the audio you want to work on inside the app. Simply press the record knob and the plugin will record whatever is on the track you have ReBeat inserted on. Note though, ReBeat will only play back the part you have recorded. All other audio on the track will be muted. Keep that in mind while working with ReBeat. Because there's a standalone version, I hope that Wavemachine Labs will consider to develop an era version of ReBeat. That way you can skip on recording the audio in your DAW and use offline processing only like with the standalone app. ReBeat seems ideal for that format. For this 49-second long track, the unmixing took about 2.5 minutes for ReBeat. How long this will take fully depends on how many cores you want to throw at the processing and how powerful these cores are, because when ReBeat starts its unmixing processing, it will really make use of all cores on your CPU. See it spike here? All the cores on this test PC are close to maxing out. Here's the result of the unmixing of this track in the standalone app. This is a high level of separation of kick, snare, hi-hats and cymbals. ReBeat isn't only suited for extracting drums from music. When you, for instance, use it on a drum loop, you can use it to rebalance the elements of a drum kit. You get extra tools like an envelope shaper, and a gate. This gate is also handy to remove some noise from, for instance, these extracted toms. Now, there's more. The ReBeat app goes so far that you can replace kick and snare with either your own one-shot samples or with the supplied GORG files, which are volume sensitive. This replacing is really sweet, especially when you have less than ideal extracted drums. You can use this to make it sound great. And of course, it's very nice to replace kick and snare in a full mix. Make sure to play with the gate. At default it sits very low and I found it to mess up the triggering sometimes. Also, I wished there was a way to preview the samples provided. Right now you have to select a sound and play it, and then you will know how it sounds. There are more situations where ReBeat shines, like for instance to reduce the level of snare and kick in overheads, which can make mixing easier. Removing different types of bleed, like cymbals from toms, is also easy with ReBeat. And this is one last one, removing bleed from snares. Before we continue, please make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already to stay up to date on the latest new plugins. This video is sponsored by DistroKid. Cover songs is probably one of the many types of songs you would love to do, but uploading to a streaming platforms is always a hassle due to copyrights and required fee because you cover an original song. DistroKid makes this very easy for you by offering the option to do this all for you for $12 per song per year when you have a DistroKid subscription. Use my link in the description to get 7% off of your first year on a DistroKid. Now let's compare with Spectralayers, because it's the only app I know of which offers similar separation, and even then it doesn't do toms and write separately. Quick note, I also tried RipX, but that wasn't in the same league at all for drum separation. Now in Spectralayers, to get the best results, you better not start with unmixed drums. You almost always get better results by doing unmixed song first. And then you have to do unmixed drums on the drum layer. This takes a lot more time than using ReBeat. Let's compare the results of Spectralayers unmixed with ReBeat. For me, it's very clear that ReBeat does a much better job on this mix. Every drum element sounds much less artifacty and is more usable. This result was repeatable. Let's listen to another unmix. Here is where the toms separation of ReBeat shines. Spectralayers assigns the toms to the kick track. Overall, Spectralayers extracts actually a little bit cleaner, but with a lot more artifacts. I prefer ReBeat here without a doubt. Now I can even take the ReBeat unmixed comparison a step further, since I mixed the audio you hear in this video myself and I have the individual original tracks. Here's the comparison with the unmixed ReBeat stems and the original tracks. I think this is a really good result, especially since ReBeat doesn't know how it was mixed. So how did ReBeat remove the drums from the music in this mix? Well, let's compare. With the exception of a few small parts where the unmixed music gets ducked because there was a loud cymbal there, I'd say this is very good. For drums extraction, cleanup and separation, ReBeat is the best app for me right now. There are some little things which I would like to see, like error support and sample previewing, and the price of $199 isn't something which will make potential users jump in, unfortunately. I did notice that the developer is on top of this plugin and releases updates very regularly, so we can hope for more future updates. Check out ReBeat and find out if it fits in your audio toolshed.